Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing crafting weekend. Today, this is the Friday free printable, if I can speak English. There is a lot of P and F. Friday freebie, free printable. It's like on my tongue. Okay, guys, love it. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Blue and gold. If I could put blue and gold together, my favorite combination, pale blue, even better, like turquoise and gold, or blue and silver. Blue and silver, lush. Very frozen, but love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Right, back into the room. This is why, like, I start and then I go off and then I need to come back. Because that's how my brain works. It opens to different doors. Guys, this is the page. Go back into the room, Antonio. Designed. Oh, guys, bear with me. I'm on a massive holiday countdown. So I'm not sure when you're going to see this video. And I'm not sure when you're going to see this video. I think I'm in Italy. No, or we'll come back. I'm not sure. But anyway, around the end of June, I'm going to Italy for 10 days to see my mum and dad and the house, etc. So, yeah, so by the time I'm filming this video, I'm on a massive holiday countdown. Now, back into the room. This page here has been designed to showcase one of my... got bits on my page. One of my best-selling digital papers books called A Symphony in Blue. A Symphony in Blue, and I put it here on the screen, is a lovely digital collection bundle when all the pages, of course, as the title suggests, are in blue. Now, blue, as I said, is one of my favorite colors, and I don't know if it makes a difference because every time I design something that I particularly love, is an instant bestseller. Now it's so amazing. It's probably like Great Mind look like. But yeah, so this digital papers book is full of ephemera background and everything that you guys need to create your journals, your card making. You can use as a scrapbook for your layers and layout. You know, all my freebies are designed to be used as you pleased. Now, if you missed it, last month I had a sale, so I hope you got your hands on some digital papers. But now July back to normal. And so you saw my website. Let me showcase how you can get your hands on these lovely pages and also all the previous freebies that I have designed. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay, guys, so you saw my freebie, my Facebook group, my website, and everything that I do. So yeah, don't forget to download this page and get shared. Share all the projects that you make with this page into my Facebook group, so everybody takes inspiration from one another. My Facebook group is a very interactive community, so I really, really like it. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like my freebies, because help me design more freebies and more free content for you guys to take inspiration from. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.